Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So connecting Etsy to Gooten allows you to run a print-on-demand store where customer orders are automatically sent to Gooten for production and shipping. Once integrated, Gooten will print back and deliver your product directly to customers while you manage the listings and sales on Etsy. This integration is ideal for sellers who want to sell costume products without holding inventory or handling shipping. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to connect Etsy to Gooten in 2026 safely, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, create a Gooten account. Okay, so before connecting your Etsy store, create a Gooten account. So go to Gooten.com, click sign up, create an account using email address or Google account. Log into your Gooten dashboard, okay, and after logging in, open the Gooten dashboard, click stores, click add store, and you will see a list of e-commerce platforms. Choose Etsy. Okay, so to connect your Etsy shop, click connect Etsy store and you will be redirected to the Etsy login page. Okay, sign into your Etsy seller account, click allow access. This authorizes Gooten to sync products and receive orders. Okay, so Etsy must approve the connection. Okay, so once authorization is complete, your Etsy shop will appear inside Gooten stores. Okay, you should see store name, connected status, product syncing options. So this confirms Etsy and Gooten are successfully connected. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.